you to. Next November I'll fix you up. I'll fix you up next November. Alright, so this is my new home.
So I'm not sure what happened to the audio on this portion of the video, but I'm gonna try and fix it with a voiceover here. This is the new shop. Just finished the outside of the shop. Nothing finished on the inside. That is the living quarter portion of the homestead. It's about 2,400 square feet. There's a small 1 acre pond there in our backyard. There's a total of 4 ponds. The largest is 5 acres. The second largest is 3.5 acres. And that's about an acre pond there. This is a picture of the basement, walkout basement, and the living quarters on top of the basement. And you can see that skirt board that goes around. There'll be a wraparound deck built in that area. My wife and I are going to build it. And we already have the pylons for the supports staked out. You can probably see rebar sticking up through the ground. So we have to rent a auger to dig the posts. Let's see, what else? Oh, you're gonna see our new addition here. There she is right there. New addition to the family. Her name is Pebbles.
In for the markers for the posts. Come on, come on. She's getting muddy. Come on, Pebbles. Oh, and this is the new addition to the family. Golden, not a golden retriever. She is a. Come on, Pebbles. No. Pebbles, no. You want a treat? Come on. You want a treat? Come. She is a Labrador Retriever. Come on.
So now we're walking up towards the shop.
Treat. Treat, come on.
And
come on.
Pretty poor camera work there. But I'm using an iPhone, and actually I had it upside down, so I had to fix the video. This pile of wood here was an old farmhouse built in the late 1800s that we had to knock down because it was unsafe. I was thinking about keeping it up just for posterity, but it was really unsafe, so we just got a bulldozer in there and knocked it down. That's the old paddocks there. And now we're walking up to where our Christmas tree is going to be. You know, only lone pine you can see on the property. We'll decorate that for Christmas. And then underneath the Christmas tree, you can see some spring flowers blooming. Kind of pretty. We got about 3 or 4 patches out there that I'm going to try to conserve, and hopefully they'll come up every year. And then this is my front yard. It's about 40 acres. Total property is a little over 200 acres, 215 acres, something like that. But that's my front yard, all the way over to the farmer that lives next door. There you can see his farm there. Yeah, real happy with it. Only thing I can't stand are the bugs. That's a 16 by 16 foot garage door. All of them have automatic garage door openers. That's the room on the top of the shop. It's going to be a man cave. 20 feet by 80 feet, built in the rafters. So the floor is done in there. I just need to finish the walls. I've got power to it. I just have to do the finished wiring. And you can see where I hit the siding already with a trailer. I'm going to have to fix that. Let's see. So this is the south side of the house over here. And that's a wood burning furnace. Outdoor wood burning furnace. It's plumbed into the house to supply hot water in the cement floor for radiant heat. And there's two separate circuits to control heat in two separate portions of the building. Those are some old hay bales. We get about $7,000 worth of hay every year. We've only been there for 2 seasons, but yeah. And I have a guy come and cut it for me, and he pays me for it. There's Pebbles again.
4 foot overhang.
And I built the windows up high on the wall, especially on the south side, to keep the building cool during the summer months. And I built an extra long overhang, 4 feet, so that those windows are shaded during the winter time. I mean the summertime. When the sun is lower in the sky in the winter, I get more direct sunlight in the winter time, and it heats the building passively. That's another shot of that 1 acre pond area. And this little pan shot is just where we were thinking about putting our garden. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.